Are you tired of the same old HCG diet recipes? Are you looking for some excitement in your meal planning? Welcome to an exciting culinary journey that will transform your HCG diet experience. The importance of variety in meal planning cannot be overstated. It goes beyond just appeasing your palate. It's about making your diet enjoyable and sustainable. Let's introduce you to some exciting new HCG diet recipes that will not only tantalize your taste buds, but also keep you on track towards your weight loss goals. These recipes are designed to be as delicious as they are satisfying, making it easier to adhere to your diet plan. From protein-packed dishes to antioxidant-rich smoothies, these recipes offer a plethora of flavors and nutrients. So brace yourself for a culinary adventure that will revolutionize your approach to the HCG diet. Get ready to revolutionize your HCG diet with these exciting new recipes. Now it's time to dive into the heart of these fantastic recipes. Let's start with the grilled chicken and asparagus salad. Begin by seasoning the chicken breast with your favorite spices, then grill it to perfection. In the meantime, quickly blanch the asparagus and let it cool. Toss it together with some fresh greens, add the grilled chicken, and voila! You have a low-calorie, protein-packed meal that is as tasty as it is nutritious. Next, we have the strawberry and spinach smoothie. It's as simple as adding a handful of fresh spinach, a cup of strawberries, and a splash of almond milk into a blender. Blend it until smooth and enjoy this antioxidant-rich treat that will keep your energy levels high and your skin glowing. The shrimp and vegetable stir-fry is a great dinner option. Start by stir-frying your chosen vegetables in a hot pan with a splash of low-sodium soy sauce. Once the veggies are tender, add the shrimp and cook until they're pink. This dish is a perfect combination of low-calorie and high-protein ingredients. Our spicy turkey lettuce wrap is another protein-packed meal. Cook the ground turkey with your favorite spices, then scoop it onto a crisp lettuce leaf. The contrast between the spicy turkey and the cool, crisp lettuce is sure to please your palate. Lastly, the turkey and vegetable soup is the perfect end to any day. Simmer lean turkey and a medley of veggies in a rich, low-sodium broth. This comforting and nutritious meal will keep you satisfied while aiding your weight loss journey. Each of these recipes is packed with nutrients that contribute to weight loss. The lean proteins help build muscle, the vegetables provide essential vitamins and minerals, and the low-calorie content ensures you stay within your daily calorie limit. Remember, these are not just weight loss meals, they're delicious dishes that will make your diet enjoyable. With these recipes, you're not sacrificing flavor for fitness, you're blending the two into a healthy lifestyle. With these delicious recipes, you're well on your way to a flavorful and successful weight loss journey. Now that you have these exciting recipes at your fingertips, it's time to put them to the test. Imagine savoring a delicious and nutritious meal that not only satisfies your taste buds, but also contributes to your weight loss journey. It's not just about eating less, but eating right. And with these 800-calorie HCG diet recipes, you're doing exactly that. Don't limit yourself to what you know. Step out of your comfort zone and experiment with new flavors, ingredients, and cooking techniques. You may be surprised by what you can create and how much you will enjoy the process. Remember, sharing is caring. Don't keep your culinary successes to yourself. Inspire others by sharing your experiences and your own unique twists on these recipes. Let's create a community that supports and motivates each other on this weight loss journey. Go ahead, give these recipes a try, and don't forget to share your experiences in the comments section. We can't wait to hear about your culinary adventures and weight loss successes.